Here's some more cheese. Say thank you, Mommy. Well, now you're out of here, huh? Come here. What are you drinking? You drinking some water and eating some cheese for a snack? Are you eating some cheese? You just shoved that whole thing in your mouth. Alright, bye-bye. Oh, no, not bye-bye, huh? Yeah? Alright. See you later. Uh-oh. Aww. Where are you going? Come back. Come back. You won't come back? Please? Hey, baby. What are you doing over here? Marcellus, what are you doing over here? Drink, drink. You have so much cheese in your mouth, kid? Yeah? It is good, huh? Look at me.